Hi guys, James here, back with another video about affiliate marketing and how to go about affiliate marketing online. Now, I want to really add some value here and just kind of lay out some step-by-step processes of how I go about promoting products, how I go about, some really proven strategies to actually start making some money online with affiliate products. Now, I'm here with ClickBank Marketplace. You can have any affiliate marketplace. It doesn't really matter as long as you have done your homework on the actual product that you're looking at promoting. You know what the product is, you know a little bit about it, you have some confidence in the program. You may have bought into the program, which I highly suggest that you do, because to really sell something, you really need to get on the inside. And then what you need to do first of all is scroll through and try and pick a product that you resonate with and that has a reasonable sale conversion. So we look through here on ClickBank Marketplace, which is the most common. I'm only doing ClickBank, guys, because a lot of you guys would have heard of it, and it's just probably easy to get access to affiliate program. It costs you nothing, and it's a digital marketing place. A lot of these products are mostly digital online stuff, but some of them are supplements as well that are physical products that get shipped out to certain countries. But I've just clicked on the search bar and it's sorted everything by ranks, all their products by ranks with different categories here. So that's a supplement offer, that's a supplement offer, that's a dental type gum sort of offer. Again, you just click on here to have a look at the page. That's a diabetes offer and so forth. Numerology gets into all sorts of stuff, weight loss stuff. So you need to go through and find a product and go and do some research. And then have a look. Oh, yeah, $125 average sale. There's 139 affiliates that are currently promoting that and that have gotten sales. That's what Gravity is. They've actually had sales, 140 roughly in the last couple of months. So that's what that Gravity is all about. So you know the product's selling. How do you sell it online? How to affiliate marketing? How do we do it? There's a few different ways. Okay, so you can go in here. Let's just use this as an example. Let's just say we like this product and we want to have a go at promoting it. We're into health and wellness, and we like the idea of this. It's got a video for the page, so this looks good. And then we would go through and have a look at this whole video and just pick out some really key points within the video. Now, it's all about an ancient Japanese tonic that melts fat, so it's a weight loss product. Okay, so we know that does that. So we like it. We like the payout of it. There's enough affiliates in here. Anything over 30 or 40 is a pretty good Gravity to promote. There's some competition out there, obviously. So down here, you see here you've got Flat Belly Tonic. We can go to the affiliate page, and this is where you can get some of the tools already that will actually help you promote this product. Okay, so again, you could be on another affiliate program. It doesn't matter because they'll always have a tools page, or you can email them and say, hey, I'd really like to get some email swipes. I'd like to get some landing page options. I'd like to get some Facebook marketing options. I'd like to get a review, some reviews of the product, please. Can I have, sometimes you can ask them for free access and they'll give you access because you're wanting to promote it. You can get in on the inside and have a look. So this here, we have a look at this. We've got our converting email swipes. We've got our affiliate link, landing page options, Facebook ad resources, commission details, obviously. So it tells you a little bit about what it is. So if you're going to do a review on this product, what you can do is come in here and say, okay, we want to promote this product. It looks good. I really like the look of it. There's no reviews as such, but I want to do a review on it. So how do you do that? Well, you come to their landing page like this. You grab all the details you can on it. You watch the video. Pick out some key things, take some notes, and then you upload a video just like what I'm doing now. Now, if you're afraid to show yourself on camera, then I urge you to just not use the webcam, so you can just use a screen. So first of all, pick a profitable product. That's what we've done first. Okay, that's step one. Pick a profitable product, if I can talk, and that's where with ClickBank at the moment. Now you can be with any affiliate product. Okay. Number two, step two. What do we do? Okay. traffic and promotion. So once we have promotion, pick a profitable product, and I'll say and tools. So again, we're in the back office here. We're picking out some of these options here. They're giving us some great tools. They're giving us some information about the product, and we can watch the video right through and get some of those extra products information as well. 3 reasons you should promote this. Okay, so what you can do is just a simple, guys, I haven't promoted this, I don't promote this, and maybe it's a good product to promote because I think, you know, it pays out well, and maybe, you know, this looks like a great product. Again, I haven't looked fully into it, but you can do a video on saying 3 reasons why you should 3 reasons why you should check out the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. You know, 3 reasons why you should buy the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. You know, and what you can go through is through the video and through the information here. You can do a short video on this. Now, again, getting back to the camera thing, and I don't know where my camera's gone. There we go. Getting back to the webcam, you don't have to have this in the corner here if you don't like. You don't want your face on camera. But what you can do is get up a page like this with some notes and even a Word document you have to put in there, or go onto their website and find these resources and just walk through the 3 top reasons why they should buy the Okinawa, I think it is, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okay, and then you can just work through those 3 reasons after the homework that you've done. So again, you've gone in and done some homework. Maybe you've bought the product as well, which can be a great thing, and you get more insight. Then you do some review videos online. 3 reasons why you should check out, why you should buy the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. 5 reasons why people are having great results with the Okinawa Flat. And then you do about 5 or 6 or 10 videos, all based around the insights of that, and upload them to a YouTube channel. And that YouTube channel you might want to rename and start and call it something to do with weight loss. You know, something that's relevant to healthy weight loss channel, or the honest reviews of weight loss channel, or something like that. So you make a channel up. And guys, this is the free method I'm just sharing with you now. Okay, so we've got traffic promotion, free method, YouTube. And again, you do not have to put yourself on camera. But I think it's a great thing to put your face on camera if you can. Because if you can talk about it and people can see your face, you know, people generally buy from people they know, like, and trust. So if this is something, you know, they see you're genuine, they see you've done your homework on this and that you're genuine about this, and you're not doing the hard sell, folks, you're just pointing out some, what I call sexy benefits about the affiliate product, okay? And then you put that in a video. Now, again, you can just do it without the webcam, and or you can do it with webcam and you explaining over the top 3 reasons why they should buy that. And you upload about 10 of these videos, right? 5 to 10 at least to YouTube, right? And just sit back and put your affiliate link in the description, a call to action. So again, make video, keep it short, you know, around 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Make a review video, 5 to 10 minutes is fine. You can go up to 20 minutes. It's good to go up to that length, but for these videos, just vary them out. No shorter than 5 minutes, but 10 to 15 to 20 is even better. We'll say times 5 to 10 videos. Now you can do this over the space of a couple of weeks or a month, depending on your time schedule. Okay, step 4. What we want to do is upload with our affiliate link in description. Okay, simple. So when you go to your affiliate, when they go to your YouTube video, in the description, right up the top, what you do is you put your headline in. So let's just say we're writing our headline or your, and let's just grab this. So you can grab all this stuff. You can go into the email swipes here, okay, and get these here. And let's have a quick look. And there's some great headlines in here. So they give you these. So if you're wanting to build a list, what I'm showing you now is a kind of a quick way without having to have an autoresponder and building a list. Now, guys, if you're doing affiliate marketing properly and you're in it for the long term, you need to build a list. And so you would need to go and build a landing page. So, okay, I would have a landing page link in the description, and I would come over to a web page builder like ClickFunnels. Okay, it's a great tool. It's easy to use. It's user friendly, and you can build a web page. It's so easy to do, and there's templates that already start with information on it like this. And just to give you a preview of this one, this is a quiz one for a weight loss product. Okay, there's a nice little landing page, okay, that you can build through ClickFunnels. And if you look in the link below, there's a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. You can go here and do exactly what I've just shown you right now. Build an opt-in page that just gives you a little bit of a pre-example of what the product is about. And if you don't have an opt-in box there, that's fine at this stage if you haven't got an autoresponder. But what I highly suggest is actually have that for a long term, because you want to build your email list and then you start emailing them, because no one will buy. Not many will buy the first time, but down the track, as they get to know, like, and trust you, remember, know, like, and trust you, and they receive emails from you with some more insights, some more tips and strategies. Then after a while, they might just say, you know what, I might check this product out. Seems like Ben's, really giving me some great tips around this. And so what you do is you build this, and then after they click on a button here to learn more, and they would go to your affiliate link. Now, if you don't want to go to all that trouble, then you're not going to get the results down the road. Okay, but if you want to just get going a very basic free way, you would grab your affiliate link, which is all here inside here, and see these headlines and all the information. These headlines you can use in your YouTube videos and some information. Okay, now again, model off these, don't copy and paste. So let's just say we're going to, let's just say we're whoa. See, I've done something now that I totally, let's just go here because I'm pressing that. So let's just say we type in our headline, 3 reasons you should. We'll put that in quotes, just say a headline like that. 3 reasons why you should buy the Okina Flat Belly Tonic. Okay, and then that would go in your description. And then you would write something like, and that would be your headline as well. Click here to, or we can come here and just see what they say. There we go. So we can have this in our description. Okay. Click here to discover the done for you. Where is it? The done for you Japanese tonic, melt 3 pounds every day. Click here to discover. And again, remember it went to a landing page. Remember there was a video. So we want to say something along those lines. We want to say something along those lines. To watch and discover the done for you. Watch the free video and discover the done for you Japanese tonic. There you go. There we go. So, and then you would put down there your affiliate link, okay? Because we go back to our affiliate resources, and there's our affiliate link. Now, guys, when you're doing your affiliate link, you want to put your ID in, but you don't want to put that up on straight up. There's your affiliate ID. If you're with ClickBank, just put that in there, whatever your affiliate ID is, 123. Not sure what it is. That's your affiliate link. But what you want to do is go and cloak that in a Bitly cloaker, okay? So if we go to Bitly, if you haven't got a domain and you can't forward it, I highly suggest you get a domain. And really, guys, I hope you're in this for the long term, because this is not a quick reach scheme. This is something you would do over a period of time. So we create that, and then we copy our link, and we come back, and we put that instead of that there, okay? And that would be a link to the affiliate offer, because we've just cloaked in a Bitly, and you can name that. We can go flat belly tonic. Save, and there we go. Copy, and we can come back in here. So we're putting up our YouTube video, and you would write a little bit of information in the description about that. Say click here. So call to action. You would put your headline in at the top, and you will put your headline again down here at the start of your video. So there's your headline, and then you would do that headline again as well in your top of your description, because it's very important for getting rankings. And then you would write a bit of a spiel there about a short paragraph about the review. Okay, and there you go. There's your affiliate link in there. Now, again, I highly suggest you build a landing page, send people there, and then opt in. I've got other videos on this, guys, how you set this up, and you opt in and you put your autoresponder. You put your autoresponder in, integrate that in with your ClickFunnels. Easy to do, there's tutorials to do, and then people capture people's email. Then if they don't buy the first time, you have a series of emails you can follow up on the back end. Okay, if you don't know what an autoresponder is, just quickly that. So I'm giving you some options here, and you can send out messages to your list. Okay, so these messages go out, set them up, and away you go. Okay, but if you just want to do that in direct link, I don't highly suggest it. Not a lot of affiliate marketers do, but it's a way to get started and just start to get some traffic to your affiliate pages. The people will opt into the pages here for this offer. So when they try and leave, or if they choose to opt in or whatever like that, this company, affiliate company, grab their email and details, and they will follow up with them on your behalf. And if they purchase down the track, I think it's about 60 days, your affiliate link stays linked to that, and you'll get a commission. So, you might do this, but it might be a month or two down the road, or a few weeks before you see a commission. But again, you want those 5 to 10 videos, guys. Go through the video, check it out, do your due diligence, and then add some value back on YouTube. And that's my affiliate how to get started. This will cost you nothing. This is free. It's completely free. Now, if you completely want to learn how to do it a proven way and fast track your results, and I highly check you take the free training below the video below. I do have a done for you system there that you can literally go in there and take advantage of straight away. But the free training, if you haven't taken me up on that already, go in there now and take me up on that. It's a free training with a 7-figure affiliate mentor who's coached me and personally my affiliate coach and mentor. He can be your coach as well. But to get a taste for it and a feel for it, what's on the inside, there's a free training series. It'll go over 3 days. I highly suggest you jump on that list. There's heaps a ton of value and a ton of stuff you'll learn from that. So guys, with that said, I really encourage you to get started, take action. Don't sit back and just do one video and think you're going to get all these sales. Keep piling on the videos, keep adding value, and you will get some sales. But again, you really need to build an opt-in page. And if you don't know how to, just search my channel. I've got channel video on opt-in page. I might put one in the link, and how to connect your autoresponder, because you really need to build this long term. But again, guys, if you like, subscribe, comment below, ring the bell. There's going to be lots of great more videos coming out. I'm going to show you how to keep building your affiliate marketing business and earning recurring income and commissions. So maybe it's time for you, over the next 6 to 12 months, you can get out of that job you're doing. You can pay off the extra bills you've got. You can help family members out, whatever that means for you. Let that motivate you towards that goal. But here to help, reach out, comment below, like, subscribe. Remember, check out the free training below. And let's hopefully we'll talk again sometime soon. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye.